Hello students, good morning to everybody. Today we will start the medians of a triangle. Yesterday we discussed about angle and sides, included angle, included side, adjacent angles, adjacent side, opposite angles, opposite side, and also we discussed about medians of a triangle. We know in our previous classes a triangle has a 3 angles, 3 sides, 3 vertices. Today we will start from the median which we started yesterday. Now we will go ahead about medians. So this is the median. So we clear that the AD is a median, which is AD is a median, or AD is a line joining from vertex A to the midpoint of the opposite side. So what is the definition of a median? The line joining from the any vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is called median. So there are from A to D, D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC, and F is the midpoint of AB. So when with the line joining from A to D is called first median or AD, and number 2 second median, the line joining from vertex B to midpoint of ACE, that is BE, and third median CF. So there are 3 medians of a triangle. 3 medians of a triangle. 1, 2, and 3. 3 medians of a triangle, and the intersecting point of a 3 median is 1. Means 3 medians are concurrent. These medians are concurrent. 3 medians of a triangle are concurrent. Their concurring point is G. So G is the intersecting point or concurrent point which is called centroid. It is very important for the median and their intersecting point. G is the intersecting point. Now look, if AD is a median, it is divided. AD divides at G into 2 parts. One part AG, another part DG. Likewise, BE is another median which divides 2 parts, BG and EG, and CF is also divides into 2 parts, CG and FG. So every median divides at the centroid into 2 parts. The bigger part is 2 and a smaller part is 1. Means AG is 2, BG is equal to 2:1. AG is to DG is equal to 2:1. Likewise, BG is to EG is equal to 2:1. CG is to FG is equal to 2:1. So every median of a triangle divides at the centroid into 2 parts. The bigger part is 2 ratio and the smaller part is 1 ratio. That means AG is 2 and DG is 3. Total AD is equal to AG plus DG, that is equal to 3 part. So total AD, if we consider AD as the 3 part, the 2 part is AG and 1 part is DG. Likewise AG plus DG is equal to 3 part. So AG is equal to 2/3 of AD and DG is equal to 1/3 of AD. So if AD is equal to 6 centimeter, what is AG and what is DG? So 2 part out of a 6 part, 2 part out of a 6 part. So 2 part out of a 3 part is AG and DG is 1/3 of AD and AG is 2/3 of AD. So here AG is equal to 2/3 of AD, means 2/3 into 6, that is 4 centimeter, and DG is equal to 1/3 of AD, that is equal to 2 centimeter. Likewise every median, it is very important, every median divides at the centroid into 2 parts or divides at the centroid in 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. Every median divides at the centroid 2:1 ratio. The bigger part is to which part connected to vertex, that is 2, and the which part connected to the midpoint of the side, that is 1. So 2:1. This is the median and this is the centroid. The 3 medians of a triangle are concurrent, and there are 3 medians, they are concurrent and meet at a point, which point is called centroid. The centroid divides every median into 2:1 ratio. So median, now we know that a triangle has 3 angles, 3 sides, 3 vertices and also 3 medians. Then let us go to the perpendicular. Take a screenshot. Perpendicular. Altitude, height, perpendicular, altitude or height, 3 things are the same thing. So this is a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle A, B and C. A, B and C. ABC is a triangle. Just before we did the median of the triangle, and now we will discuss about the perpendicular or altitude of a triangle. What is altitude of the triangle? Look, here is A, is the vertex of the triangle. This is the opposite side of a triangle. This is the opposite side, that is BC is opposite to angle A, and AC is the opposite side to the angle B, and AB is the opposite side of the angle C. Now perpendicular, we you know in your previous class what is perpendicular, because this is a line AB and this is point A, which is the vertex. So now draw a perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Height perpendicular altitude means 90 degree. So draw a perpendicular to BC. Suppose that is BD. We can write AD is perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular, that is altitude of the triangle. Whenever BC is the base, altitude is AD or perpendicular is AD. And draw another perpendicular from B to AC, that is BE. BE is perpendicular to AC and CF, third perpendicular to AB. Now CF is perpendicular to AB. Now this point is O. Now look, we can draw from point A to BC. We draw perpendicular from A to BC, that is AD. AD is perpendicular to BC, BE is perpendicular to AC, and CF is perpendicular to AB. So there are three perpendiculars of a triangle. All perpendiculars AD, BE and CF are concurrent. AD, BE and CF are concurrent, means they meet at a point O. O is called orthocenter. O is called orthocenter of a triangle. Centroid and orthocenter. What is centroid? Now, if three medians of a triangle meet at a point, which point is called centroid. But when three perpendiculars meet at a point, that point is called orthocenter. So this is the difference between orthocenter and centroid. Centroid is the point. Centroid is the intersecting point of three medians, but orthocenter is the midpoint or intersecting point of three altitudes or three heights or three perpendiculars. Whenever AD is perpendicular, now or whenever BC is the base, AD is perpendicular. When BC is the base, AD is perpendicular. When AC is the base, B is perpendicular. When AB is the base, CF is perpendicular. Now this much, this is the median perpendicular, sides, angles. Now we will discuss. Now we know about the what is the medians. The point intersecting by medians is called what? Centroid. And altitudes, there are three altitudes of a triangle. They meet at a point, that point is called orthocenter. So we know that a triangle has three sides, three angles, three vertices and three medians, three perpendiculars or three altitudes. A triangle has, this is the more some important points. Next we go to the another triangle. Simple thing. This is the triangle A, B, C. ABC is a triangle. There are so many types of a triangle according to side, according to angle. Now I list those triangles according to side. The triangle divided into three parts: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. But according to angle, there is acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. But according to both angle and side, there is one triangle, that is right angle isosceles triangle. So this is the 7 types of triangle. Now we discuss the 7 types of triangle. Number 1, scalene triangle. Scalene. Number 2, isosceles triangle. Number 3, equilateral triangle. Number 4, acute angle triangle. Number 5, right angle triangle. Number 6, obtuse angle triangle. Number 7, right angle isosceles triangle. There are 7 types of a triangle. So these are the 7 types of a triangle. These 3 triangles according to side, and these 3 triangles according to angle, and last one both side and angle. Side and angle. There are 7 types of a triangle. First we recall. Just I recall you which things you already learnt in your previous class, but I try to summarize these things for a betterment for you. So what is isosceles triangle? So isosceles triangle definition. What is the definition of isosceles triangle? No side equal is isosceles triangle. No side equal. No side equal. That is isosceles triangle. Sorry, that is scalene triangle. Sorry, that is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle definition: no side equal. And isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. 2 sides are equal. That triangle is called isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle, all sides equal. All sides equal. Equilateral triangle, no side equal, scalene triangle, 2 sides equal, isosceles triangle, and all sides equal, equilateral triangle. Then acute angle triangle, all angles all angles are acute. All angles are acute. What is acute angle? The angle greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is acute angle. So all angles are acute. That triangle is called acute angle triangle. And a right angle triangle, one angle, right angle, or a 90 degree, one angle right angle or a 90 degree, that is right angle triangle. And obtuse angle triangle, one angle be obtuse. What is obtuse angle? The angle whose measurement is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Acute angle greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Right angle equal to 90 degree. Then right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, one angle is right angle and two sides are equal. One angle is right angle and two sides are equal. Very easy to remember, very easy to understand and very easy to remember. Scalene triangle, no side equal. Isosceles triangle, two side equal. Equilateral triangle, three sides equal. Acute angle triangle, all angles are acute. Obtuse angle triangle, one angle be obtuse angle. And right angle triangle, one angle right angle. Now take a screenshot. Next we discuss about what is acute angle, the definition of acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. What is acute angle? Acute angle, the angle which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. The angle which is greater than 90 degree, greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, this is acute angle. Obtuse angle, the angle which is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that is obtuse angle. Right angle, x is equal to 90 degree, right angle is equal to 90 degree. If the measurement of an angle is 90 degree, that is right angle. If the measurement of the angle is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle, and greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is obtuse angle. This is the acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. Now take a screenshot, then we will discuss about the today the class is stop, come to an end, and next class we will start from this, the fundamental techniques or fundamental things about triangle and angle, side, etc. Then we will go to the congruency. Before we go to the congruency, we have to know some important points or some terms, some relating to the triangle. That's goodbye. Thanks.